So this is a home in Saratoga, California, where we have done a great deal of work. We put in a AquaLoop Greywater system. We are capturing 3 showers and the washing machine. The unit is basically a small bioreactor that interacts with the gray water, breaking down a lot of the impurities and biology in there, cleaning it up. The system sucks up the water through a very powerful filter, and then the water is stored. We have a 500-gallon tank right here where we're storing the water. The beauty of this system is that the water is cleaned up to a level where you can use it for overhead irrigation. It can puddle, it can do all of those things that gray water usually cannot do. And 2 of our homes, we've sent this water back into the house and we're using it for toilet flushing. So we have this 500-gallon storage tank. The water is coming out of it and it's coming into our pump. And our pump is hooked up to these 3 irrigation valves. And these valves are directed down this hill to different zones. We have a zone over on the backside of the bathhouse. We have this central zone, and then we have a zone that is over on this side of the house, irrigating some beds and a little area around a fire ring that they have over there. We also have a makeup water valve going into the tank. So if we run out of gray water, or if you're on vacation and not generating any rainwater, the makeup valve automatically kicks on, gives us enough water so that we can continue irrigating, and you don't have to worry about losing your plants, if you go on vacation, say.